Go, Benny, go! You go holler at him. Tell him to get a shake a leg. That's what happens when you stay out till 1 o'clock in the morning, you know? Is that Capital House Kid? Who is that? What number is that? Is that 215? That's Capital House. It looks like it. I can't tell. I missed the two clowns.